If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. BTS, Run BTS, probably the hottest freaking song and dance that's been popping off in social media. That and Anti-Fragile, I think, are like the hottest things that I keep on hearing in my head for the past like 2 weeks, especially when I dream. But let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bro, look at this. Look at this man. Look, he's taking control. And then you got this down. Woo! Sexy ass, bro. I swear, he's talented as hell too. Wait, did they miss the high five? Did they miss the high five? No way. No shot. Alright, I connected a little bit, I think. I love them with longer hair. It hits different. It hits different. It hits very different. Ooh. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Bro, I can never do this dance. Maybe Hedgen. If she actually wants to learn it, learn it. Woo. Woo. Run. Run, yeah, you gotta run. I'm sorry. I know J-Hope's right here and he's killing. He looking extra fine, but my eyes are Yoongi right now. Woo! Okay. Yoongi, bro. Yoongi. It's bruh. Woo! Ooh, let's go, RM. Good music. Goddamn. Ooh, bro, he's so good with facials. Like his facials while dancing is so good. Let's go, Jin. Damn. Hey, don't want to slip on that scarf right now, bro. Look at B get that shit, bro. Look at Jimin too in the back. Let's get JK. Woo! Let's go. Run, bulletproof, run, run. This man right here. Let's go, Yoongi. Okay. Oh yeah! I saw this in the actual like. Sorry, it's J-Hope's turn. I gotta shut up. Didn't Sienna Lalau make this too? Shout out to Sienna Lalau, by the way. Let me just say that. Alright, at least she's one of the choreographers, right? Woo! Get it, get it. Left and groove, left and right, hey. Let's go. Damn. The dancers. Give it up for the dancers. They doing their thing, bro. Sheesh. God damn. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.